Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Fun with Nirali. So today is very interesting topic over here I have present. So can you see my screen? It is forests and forest people. So let us start. I was watching a television program in which I saw many types of forests next day. I asked my teacher many questions about forests and she told me about the various kinds of forests and their importance. So we learned. What China learned, we learned. Have you ever seen a forest? Forest is a large area covered with many trees, big trees, it's important natural source, and besides some trees, near some trees, there are some smaller plants like herbs, and many wildflowers grow on them in their own forest. Due to a wide range of climatic conditions, India has different types of forests at different places. They are evergreen forest. Have you visited evergreen forest? We all. Mountain forest, monsoon forest, and desert forest. So a tribal forest, tribal lives in a forest that's called tribal forest. That is called Sundarbans. Sundarbans. Tribal forests are also called Sundarbans. This is because trees are called Sundari commonly go there. Let us see the importance of forests. Forests play a very important role in our lives. Evergreen plants convert sunlight into the food and become the main source of food for living things. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and releases oxygen in which animal and human beings breathe in. Thus, they purify and cool the air. Trees and plants in forests prevent soil erosions and as their root hold into the soil and do not let it wash away. We got timber, firewood, pulp, lac, resin, gum, grasses and leaves from forests. Timber is used for the building house, furniture, railway, sleepers and many other things from forests only. Paper and rayon are made from wood pulp. We use this resin for varnishes and paints. We get many types of medicines from forests, and forests also help to increase rainfall. Forest soil soaks up the rainwater and makes ground available. The livelihood of many peoples depends on forests. They make many useful things from salt, teak, shisham, bamboo and sandalwood. Forests provide shelters to many wild animals. Tribals life. Adivasis called tribals. So many tribals communicate known as Adivasi live in the forests. A large number of them have moved to villages and cities due to the deforestation. A major portion of the tribal population still lives in the forests and use forest products for survival. In India, states like Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal and northeastern states have a satisfying tribal population. Gonds are the largest tribal group in India, but they are followed by the Vils and Santhals. Tribals depend on forests for food, shelter and other all things they need. They collect things like bamboo, cane, tendu leaves, lac and gum and use them to make a number of utility items like baskets, mats, leaf bowls, donas, leaf plates, petals and bronze. Tribals are very fond of wearing ornaments. They wear ornaments made of glass, beads, shells, ivory and metal. change faced by tribal communities. Cutting down of trees in a forest without planting new ones is called a deforestation. Due to increase in population and urbanization, land requirements are increases. To meet them, forests are being cut down at a very fast pace. Due to this, tribals are being uprooted from places where they have been living for generations. They are closing their shelters and source of food. Some tribals are even become extinct. For example, the Bo tribe that live on the Andaman Island for about 65,000 years is now extinct. Another endangered tribe is the Great Andaman tribe. India has the largest population of tribal people in the world. World means you think there's a many tribal people. Okay, in a various states in this world. Protection of trees or forests is a very important to prevent deforestation not only for our environment but also for the survival of tribals. The government has opened many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries for the conservation of forests and wild animals. Many programs and movements have also been started to conserve the forests. Scarecrows. In tribal culture, some patches of forests are worshipped. These matches are called scarecrows. They are areas in the forest which contain trees that are on the verge of extinction. Felling of trees is strictly forbidden in these groups. Himachal Pradesh has the largest number of scarecrows. They are called Dayupumbi there. Similarly, they are called Devkot in Madhya Pradesh, Onam in Rajasthan and Devrai in Maharashtra. Vishnoi of Rajasthan. For the Vishnoi of Rajasthan, prevention of animal and plant life is a religion, and Guru Jambheshwar. You know Guru Jambheshwar? A great illusions made some principle which include a ban of killing animals and felling of trees. Sorry. To protect all lives from Amrita, like Amrita Devi, Vishnoi women and women is a very famous conservation protectors. Okay, so she used to cling to trees to protect against their feeling. Okay, have you understood? Chipko movement in earlier like 1970s, some contractors went to cut trees in the Teria forest of Garhwal in Uttar Pradesh. Some local women decided to prevent these deforestations, and they invased the trees and were ready to give up their leaves to prevent them from being cut. This movement is called Chipko movement. Means women used to chipki in the trees. The movement gradually spread to the entire country. Guru Devi, Sundarlal Bhuguna and Chandi Prasad Bhatt are some famous leaders of this movement. Sorry. Okay, so let's just see the Van Mostap. Van Mostap is a festival of tree explanation started by a noted environmentalist K. Manshi in 1950s. It is organized in the first week of July. Thousands of people participate in this festival and plant lakhs of trees everywhere. Besides these movements, people often protect against the feelings of trees. Read and reflect. A forest is a large area of land covered with trees. Forests play an important role in our lives. We get many useful things from them. Forests are a home to many tribal communities known as tribals or Adivashis. Tribals depend on forest products for all their needs. Deforestation is the main threat faced by the tribal communities. It is very important to protect forests not only for our environment but also for the people who live in them. Many programs and movements have been started to conserve forests. Scout groups, Van Mostava and Chifka movement are some famous programs to conserve forests. And one more thing I would to tell, and tribals love to sing and dance during religious. Is there in your book? Let us see. Yes, this is there in book. Okay, can you see this? Okay, tribal love to sing and dance during religious and agriculture festivals. They play various instruments like sharingi. Wait a minute. If you're not getting, I'm just underlining. Okay, this one I'm reading. Okay. They play various instruments like sarangi, flute, and drums. They believe that they have their own beliefs and traditions. They do not give a particular shape to their god. They believe that God is present in everything around them, be a stone or a tree. Okay, this you have to remember. Okay, wait, I'm mentioning it. Sorry. But okay, remember it. Sorry. Okay. So these you have to read this. What is this happening? Chapter. Okay, you have to read this chapter at all and most practice of them. Thank you all. Have a good day. And you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you all for watching this video. And this is a reading test. And the next video I will understood this chapter at all. You must be safe at. And how do you know if I post this video, this meaning of this chapter? Click the bell icon to get that video. Thank you all. Bye bye. Have a good day.